United 8 Heavy.
Okay, turn right 070, we're showing, like slowing through, 250, what do you need? American 12622 Heavy, left side is available, I have to have exit, it's about 5 miles out of the way. Yeah, like, 30602, so we 170. Just Delta 1990 New York Approach, good afternoon. Mike, okay, sir, after Torby Circle south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me.
You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point 9.
CWA 708, information November is currency, altimeter is 3040. I need 250. Okay. Yeah, like, 30602, so we 170. Delta 1716, turn left heading 130. 130 to 1716. Continue on the ILS 6, altimeter 3039er, with numerous departures up runway 1 prior to arrival. Intercept low class.
Let's do it, intercept low class, American 160.
Delta 1990 Heavy, correction on the frequency. It's 123.9er now.
1.39, that's what I thought. Delta 1990.
United 8 Heavy, New York approach, good afternoon, flight 150, Mexico on the ILS, runway 31 right approach. Information November is current.
Okay, we'll fly a heading of 150 for 31 right. We have November and we're slowing to 250 United 8 Heavy.
Team 4, Mike, Kilo, continue on the ILS 6, altimeter 3039er, with numerous departures up runway 1 prior to arrival. American 12622 Heavy, the left side is available, I have to have exit, it's about 5 miles out of the way. I need 250. Okay. 31 left. And the speed 180, contact tower on 123.9.
23.9, we're slowing to 180.
Here, Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulf Stream that you can proceed southeastbound, sir. 10, Charlie, has the Gulf Stream. Thank you very much.
Approach American 1262, extend 6500 for 3000.
American 1260, roger. Okay, 4 Mike, Kilo Bravo, continue on the ILS, signal for the 3039er. There'll be numerous departures off runway 1 prior to arrival. Nice to 4 Mike, okay sir, after Corby circle south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me. Thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain at below 1,000 until departing Delta airspace. Good day.
F1 Mike was just by Dandy.
American 1262, heavy descent to maintain 2,000, turn left heading 360. Heavy, New York approach, good afternoon, flight 150, back for the ILS, runway 31 right approach. Information November is current.
Okay, we'll fly a heading of 150 for 31 right. We have November and we're slowing to 250 United 8 Heavy.
American 588, heavy to right heading 070, stay airspeed.
To 1.9. Heading 178 down to 1603040, available 984. To 1.9.
United 8 Heavy, New York approach, good afternoon, flight 150, back for the ILS, runway 31 right approach. Information November is current.
Okay, we'll fly a heading of 150 for 31 right. We have November and we're slowing to 250 United 8 Heavy.
1.9 will do, November 17. Heading 170 down to 1603040, available 984.
Runway 1, vital handle opening.
You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point 9.
290, thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain that below 1,000 until departing LDS. Good day. He's 9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 120. Team 4, Mike, Peterborough, continue on the ILS 6, altimeter 3039er. There'll be numerous departures off runway 1 prior to arrival. To 1.9 then.
Plan 20 right, 10805, push right curve left.
First zero, it's going to maintain 16,000.
Down to 16,000, 3040 United. 8 heavy.
Sierra Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulf Stream that you can proceed southeast bound, sir.
10 Charlie has Gulf Stream.
Thank you very much. Line 24, Mike, okay, sir, after Torby circle south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me. Sierra Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulf Stream that you can proceed southeast bound, sir.
10 Charlie has Gulf Stream.
Thank you very much. To 1.9 then. Thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain that below 1,000 until departing LDS. Good day.
Okay, 3-mile final, Torby, left base, runway 1524.
Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic, 2-mile final, runway 1, no delay, clear for takeoff. Gulfstream 7 Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
F1 Mike was just by Dandy.
Information November is current. The altimeter is 3040.
What's that code today?
American 1262 Heavy, descend and maintain 2000, turn left heading 360.